Hello everybody, this is DJ Connor Scott for a Value DJ Entertainment, and today we've got an unboxing of the Equinox Ultrascan, I think it's 25 watt LED, with 6, damn what clue that is, Dischronic maybe colours, I don't know. Let's have a look at the text actually. Right, hang on, let me put this in my need. DMX Challenge 8, Sound Active, Auto Run, DMX and Master Slave. 25 mega bright LED apparently, that's really childish. Colour wheel, well yeah. Yep, that'll do. And yeah, we'll just open it. I am doing this one-handed, so you're gonna have to make do. Right. That's one done. There's another one done. I'll put the link into the to the website we got it off, which was DJ Kit. Most of the stuff from Valley DJ Kits delivered to us is from DJ Kit. So put it against the back of the board there. Put it against the backboard. Yep, that'll do. I've got a little flap. You can open it. We can open it by here. Hang on. Oh. And then here is the actual fixture itself. Yep, I'll stop it. I'll pause it, and then we'll get it out, and I'll show you it. Here it is. We got it out of the box, and I'll just get to the fixture in a second. We got it in the box, and then user manual, and we got the IEC extension lead. Not extension lead. What's it called? It's an IEC kit or lead, like. So yeah, let's actually unbox this then. Right, yeah, I'm gonna pause a few, and then get all the wrapping off here. Right, it's out to the packaging now. Take the last bit out, and take. Ooh, hang on. Take this last bit out, and there we have our mirror. It's nice, isn't it? We got a 4-button display there. Got DMX addressing. We got XLR/DMX 3-pin. On the back we got a yoke. No, it's not actually called a yoke. What's that called? Just hanging bracket. On the underside of it, we got a nice cooling fan. Looks like a thread, like maybe about 5mm, not 5mm, 5cm. And we got power link in. We got the input and got an output. So yeah, I'll do a small video on when I got 2 of the pairs linked up and working. So yeah, thanks for watching.